Hello, today we are going to feed rabbits first. Okay, rabbit, want them? So cute.
아니 근데 얘네 다 똑같은 토끼구나. 김이쁘네. 여기 가도 돼요? 이것도 제가 불렀나 보네. 왜 이렇게 귀여워요?
I guess you're full. So next one, bigger. Oh, next one is bigger. Don't want it? Okay, you don't want it, you don't get it. This guy is super cute. Okay. You guys don't want to eat. You guys are caged up rabbits, and these guys are called chicken, which are very chickeny and are chicken. Okay, I need to figure out a way to get this open. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
그냥 저쪽 이동하세요. 떨어져 나가요. 그럼. 이 먹이통 그걸 어떻게 그렇게 들고 있으면 안 돼. 옆으로 들고 있어. 먹이통. 그리고 먹이도 봐. 옆으로 이렇게 주면 옆으로 가잖아. 그렇지? 야, 천천히 앞으로 이동하면 돼. 가고 싶은 대로 가.
Okay. Can anybody hold this?
하여튼 옆으로 hold 해야 돼. 귀엽네.
Ew, I'm not gonna feed it to anyone who pees. Oh,
Don't pee, then you eat.
okay. I'll make an extremely long journey all the way to the other side of the cage. So nobody gets that much attention to me. Now I'm lonely. Does anyone want food? Aw, good boy. No, I will run away in the same way again. But I can't resist feeding you cute guys. Oh no, do not chew my camera off. This is a really expensive one. They're a little fast. Not fast to run out any big animal. But oh, obviously they won't run out bears. Okay, I'll just run away in the same method. Just get to the kill and they won't actually go up. I'm getting some followers. Okay, they're like faster. Probably can't go up. Experiment. Fail.
가만히 새끼 물 보라. 가만히 가만히. 새끼 오네.
Failed to go up.
주지 말고 흔들면 주지 마. 새끼들 요런 게 있거든. 요런 새끼 요런.
Aw, so cute. Aren't you?
이거 가만히 있기는. 자, 지우가.
Aw. Whoa. Want some? maybe you want some? Like this? Okay, that's good. And I'm not gonna feed the big guys, only maybe the small guys. I see a little calf. Aww, marching right beside me. Want some more? Okay. I'll feed this long one. And another little calf. You're seriously cute. Okay, a big one I'm not gonna feed. Oh no! Little calves. Oh, big ones. Okay, that's one big one. Nah, don't go away, go away. I'll feed the small ones. Okay, I'll feed you too, because you're a follower. At least one. Such a cute follower, but such a hungry one. Okay, maybe if I... Ew, he's peeing! Disgusting little one. So I only have 2 more cards, so anyone who goes through the cliff test will get this. Okay, so not you. If you pass the cliff test, I will. Any big followers? You, I guess. No? You failed in following? Okay. So this. Yes. These guys don't like me anymore. So I'll do a test. Ooh. Does anyone want food? Does anyone want food? Oh no. Spilled food and this is not VR, so remember to get them really close, then run away. Keep getting their attention. Food. This guy not that really attractive. Maybe that guy. Real. No. Nobody following me. Maybe the big brown one will follow. That plan worked for them. That cliff plan. Okay. I'm not gonna feed lambs now. Now I'm gonna feed real sheep. That are huge, gigantic, and somehow you can see them as scary. So they're guarded behind these metal cages. No, I won't feed you. Okay, you want to be a follower? Then you have to exercise. Oh, you do exercise. So? Triumphant. Cluck, cluck. Does anyone want food? Cluck, cluck, cluck. Chickens, chickens, chickens. They can be really annoying sometimes, but... Oh, and these are goats. Those are sheep, these are goats. Chicken. Little chickens. Always really greedy. Get more food. So, now I'm going to... Anyway, let's get on. Does anyone want the crumbs? Nobody? Maybe you? Okay, my mom has some, so I'll cease eating. Okay, how much do you have left?
2.
2.
Uh,
And
I have 0. That guy's so cute.
Yeah.
Let's feed him.
Yeah, it's called Fluffy.
Let's just feed him. Okay, one last.
one.
Last one.
One
To
last.
who?
To
Mm.
Fluffy. Of course.
Maybe not Fluffy and Fluffy wait.
Okay, do you want them, Fluffy? Do you want to be, okay, Bob. He ate all!
Wow. That's the end.
Now let's just feed. Okay, Fluffy ate all. The end. Okay. Oh, this guy feels really warm.
And Fluffy, right?
Okay, so see you in the next video.